Another really great investment out there that everyone should have is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency. It's considered on a world economic scale as a digital reserve asset. They're creating sovereign wealth funds with Bitcoin. Companies, institutions are investing billions of dollars into Bitcoin. Here are some things you should know. The benefits are insurmountable. Bitcoin is a scarce digital asset. It's almost completely gone. Bitcoin represents global recognition and liquidity, increasing adoption by institutions and governments. Bitcoin functions as a hedge against fiat debasement. This is key. Many people still are not aware of Bitcoin. Even when it was $2,000, $5,000, Bitcoin is over $114,000. It just reached an all-time high of $124,000 for one Bitcoin, and companies are buying millions, hundreds of thousands, MicroStrategies, BlackRock, other companies that are just popping up out of nowhere. So this asset is very, very important. Here are some risks, and remember what I said about risk. It's okay to have it, as long as the situation isn't risky. Bitcoin has high volatility and sharp corrections. Seeing as how Bitcoin is less than 20 years old, it's had some problems with legislation. But all of that has changed since Donald Trump has won the presidency. This regime is a crypto regime. This regime is making America the crypto capital of the world, and Bitcoin is the reserve asset, along with some other assets as well. This is very, very key. If you guys are not paying attention to this, I'm telling you, Bitcoin serves as a digital reserves and payment system. It's like digital gold. It wasn't designed for tokenization. However, Bitcoin is considered the world's most powerful reserve asset. Analysts are saying in 2025, Bitcoin can reach $250,000. Some even say $1 million. 2 million within the next 2 to 5 years. Long-term holders see Bitcoin as a hedge. A hedge from what, you ask? A hedge from a dying, burning currency. You see, what people don't know, the dollar is dead. Almost 99% of its value has dissipated. Bitcoin remains a foundational piece in crypto, despite its non-programmable nature, despite the fact that it was made for the people, by the people. It was made to go against corruption and control and tyranny. Bitcoin was made to give us our power back. Why is it being bought? By institutions, governments, countries, powers, but the normal people is not buying it. They say that if you own 0.01 Bitcoin and you hold on to it, you will be some of the most richest families in the world within the next 20 years. That's about $1,000, 1,000 USD. I'm just telling you exactly what I do. I look for assets that are used in real world cases and have utility. Bitcoin is the #1 asset to have, the #1 asset that companies, countries, powers, institutions are investing in. They're buying it all up, just like they're buying all of the real estate and all of the gold and everything else. So if you had eyes to see the future for innovation, you could see that it's time to invest in something. It's time to transmute your fiat currency, which is backed by nothing, which is literally against the Constitution. And you should transmute that into something that is basically a scarce asset. It's an endangered asset. That means it's almost all gone, guys. Bitcoin is the global store of value. It's viewed as digital gold. It's used for wealth preservation, security. The US has a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Some of the analyst forecasts include H.C. Wainwright, $225,000. Tom Lee, $200,000 to $250,000. CoinDesk, $140,000 to $200,000. News.com.au, $160K in 2025. These are just some of the analysts and some of their numbers that they believe and that they see Bitcoin going in the future. So we must look and be proactive. We must plan for the future. We must save our legacy. This asset is going to appreciate and it's going to change your family. Within the next 5 to 10 years, maybe even sooner, we're going to see something crazy go on here, guys. And it's our time to shine. It's our time to do it. Let's win, guys. Let's win. And I just want to be clear, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just an enthusiast who loves appreciating assets. I'm just an enthusiast. Make sure you get you a qualified CPA and do your own research, guys, just like I do mine. As always, we got the energy. SKOD.
Remember, reality is an illusion. The universe is a hologram. Buy gold. Buy!